Keep all of your files organized directly inside of your tasks. With Jotform Boards, you can attach and manage documents, images, and other files right where the work happens. I'm Corey with Jotform, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use attachment fields inside of Jotform Boards. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to go to your workspace and you want to click on the Create button up here at the top left, and then you want to select a board down here in the bottom right. Now, you'll see different options like starting from scratch, selecting a form, using a template, or importing a board. For this example, I am going to choose Use Template, and then from here you can search for and use any template that you would like. But for my case, I am going to use the Meeting Agenda template, and I'm just going to click on Use Template, and that's going to load up the template for me. Now, once your board loads, this is your main dashboard where meeting tasks and workflows are organized in one place. Now, the board is arranged into columns so that you can see the status of each task and understand what needs attention next. You can add new tasks, drag and drop cards in between columns, assign due dates, and use tags to keep work organized visually. At the top left, you'll find the search and the filter options to quickly locate a task as your board grows. And on the right-hand side, you'll see connected assets, which helps you keep related files, resources, and linked materials accessible from the board. Now, let's go ahead and open a task and attach a file. I'm going to open up the Finalize Participation List card that we see here. Now, this here is your task detail view where you can manage everything related to that specific item. At the top, you can move in between the task and customization options like the cover, checklist, and task fields. Now, the main section here shows the task title, the assignee, the priority, due date tags, and the description so that you can understand the task context at a glance. You can also add comments for team updates and use activity tracking to see what changed over time. Now, to attach the participation list, we are going to click on Attachment and upload a new file. For example, a PDF of the participation list. Now, this keeps your meeting document directly connected to the task. Now, this keeps this key document directly connected to this task. Now, let's go ahead and close this card to return to the board. Now, I want to open up the Create Presentation Slides card. And again, we're going to click on Attachment and add our attachment. This time, I'm going to upload the slides that I'll use for the meeting. Now, you can attach different file types like PDFs, spreadsheets, images, presentations, zip files, and more. And this helps your team keep everything in one place without relying on external file sharing tools. You can also organize files more clearly by adding custom attachment fields. Now, to do that, we are going to click on Task Fields up here at the top. Then on the right-hand side, we are going to click on Add Field. Then we are going to select Attachment and Image. Then we need to give it a field name, for example, Participation List or Presentation Slides or whatever it may be, and then click on Save to go ahead and add that field to our task. And now I can upload files directly to that new labeled field that we just created, in this example, Participation List, and I can upload my list there. You can also add multiple attachment fields per task and give each one a clear label so different documents stay separated and easy to find. For example, you can create fields for contracts, design files, invoice copy, or any supporting documents. And labeled attachment fields help your team know exactly where to upload and find each file. Now, this turns Jotform Boards into a single source of truth with all task details and supporting materials in one place. And that's how you can attach and organize files using attachment fields in Jotform Boards. Keep everything structured, accessible, and aligned with your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.